Hello everyone! We're at the Camiral Golf Club, the best golf course in Spain and one of the best in Europe. At the heart of the space, there is Villa, a luxurious residence that could be a family home or a perfect summer getaway in a magnificent place. We're entering the house through a high-quality, massive oak front door to the hall, passing a huge mirror wall. Definitely like it. Amazing. Now we're in the living room, a spacious, sunny, perfect place with incredible panoramic views where you'll definitely be spending a lot of time. Just look at it. These panoramic walls are so big that it creates an illusion that the living room and the terrace are the same space. Let's get into details. The house spans 1,300 square meters and boasts 3 floors, 5 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, multiple terraces, a swimming pool, barbecue zone, wine cellar, and numerous other amenities. And now we're going to show you everything. Now we're in the middle of the living room, where you can find an enormous and comfortable sofa, where you can spend a cozy evening with your family, watching TV, or near the fireplace. Or you can even host a party here, inviting all your friends. Moving into the dining area, we can see a big, gorgeous table for about 10 people with the modern lighting above. Just imagine celebrating here your birthday, Christmas, or New Year Eve. Impressive, right? Such a perfect place to have a dinner. Right after the dining area, we're moving into a fully equipped modern kitchen decorated with the marble stone and wooden panels. This kitchen has 3 refrigerators, 2 ovens, and temperature-controlled wine fridge. Because living in Catalunya, you will always have a great selection of local wine. And trust me, it's not the biggest wine storage we have in this house. We're out of the house now. Right in the middle of this beautiful terrace, we have a swimming pool and a jacuzzi. And I like how the sun reflects on the water here. You can place a couple of chairs around the pool and just relax in the sun. By the way, the temperature and the water level can be easily adjusted using the smart home app, and the management company does the pool maintenance, so you don't have to worry about anything. To my right, there is an open barbecue area. You can spend a lovely summer day here with food, fire, and nice conversation. Or, let's put it this way. Imagine your friends watching you playing golf right on this amazing golf course. What a show! Oh, and I have to mention the views. It's the typical Catalan landscape in all its glory. The trees, the lake, the mountains. The mountains always make everything better. Let me explain in more detail where we are right now. We're in Catalonia. Villa is approximately 1 hour drive from Barcelona. 30 minutes away is Costa Brava, the most beautiful coast of the Mediterranean Sea. 20 minutes in the other direction is the medieval yet modern city of Girona. From there, you can fly to 13 European countries, including the UK, Germany, Italy, France, Latvia, and others. And to reach the sea, you don't have to fly anywhere. Nearby, you have Lloret de Mar, Tossa de Mar, Playa de Aro, and other top resorts. Now let's talk about golf. The Camiral Club is the best golf club in Spain. The main attraction is the 2 perfect golf courses that can be used all year round, as well as a practice area where everyone can learn how to play. And even if you don't play golf yourself, you can simply enjoy the splendid views and watch other people swinging the clubs. We're going on the basement floor by the elevator. The total area of the floor is about 660 square meters. And now we have a surprise for you. Follow me. This is a big, spacious fitness area and spa zone. Here you can place any exercise machine, working out equipment. You can do yoga, you can do stretching, whatever you like. After an intense workout, you can relax in a sauna, steam room, or a shower. Everything in one place. And from the fitness area, we're entering the most outstanding part of the house, the billiard room and the wine cellar. The billiard table is made of ebony wood by a famous Italian brand, Camiral. And of course, this table is handmade. Wow, this is really amazing. I have no idea how to play this game. I guess I've only played pool. It's also a game with the colorful little balls, but I think this one is a real Russian billiard. I'm impressed, but I also know how to impress you. Follow me. We're in the wine cellar, or bodega, how we call it in Spain. 5 minutes away is Barcelona, a region famous for its wine. That's why your shelves will always be full of delicious local wine. We're in a huge empty garage, which is about 200 square meters. It's up to you to decide what to put in here. It could be a car, a motorbike, a jet ski, or even all together. Or maybe a golf car, because it will definitely come in handy. Generally, I think up to 7-8 cars could fit here. We go upstairs using an incredible marble staircase with the frameless glass railings. The main space here is a master bedroom, a luxurious room with a parquet in wooden finishes that can easily accommodate a large king-size bed. Close your eyes for a second and imagine waking up here in the morning, and this is the first thing you will see. I would definitely like my day to start like this. Also, all windows are equipped with automatic blackout blinds. By the way, Villa Perla is a smart home. Using this app, you can control and adjust essential devices and characteristics. And after you've done that, check the happiness level. It should be at a maximum. Here is the main bathroom that has a shower, a bathtub, 2 separate sinks, and plenty of space to accommodate anything else you need for your daily routine. Check out this panoramic window with a view that you can enjoy literally sitting in the bathtub. From there, you can see everything, but no one can see you because there is no one behind the glass. Just a splendid view. Near the bedroom, there is a home office with the classic wooden finish. Very spacious, very luminous. The office has a separate access to the glorious terrace with stunning views. After finishing your work, you're able to enjoy the nature, just in a few seconds. Isn't it a dream office? Let's take another look at what surrounds us. Perfect golf courses with a neatly trimmed grass, beautiful Catalan nature, forests, lakes, vineyards. We have just shown you the most outstanding house, a dream home that can be yours. To learn more about it, follow the links in the description or contact the Stay Barcelona agency directly. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.